Authority is this evening providing a deeper analysis of the debris left behind by Hurricane Melissa. The entity says in some communities they have had to remove almost 3,000 truckloads of debris. Kelisha Williams has that story.
The satellite analysis on debris left behind by Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica was stark. In November, the United Nations said 4.8 million tons of debris was left behind, and it would take almost 500,000 trucks to clear it. Now, over 2 months later, the National Solid Waste Management Authority says it is nowhere near that number.
We are just gone somewhere in the region of about 27,000 trips. Now, if you talk about 500,000 and we're just gone 27,000, we have some way to go, which is a point now that I have to make. We ask for patience and understanding.
But across the island, it appears patience is running thin. Most of the western parishes have no permanent landfills. In Westmoreland, for example, one of the parishes most impacted by the storm, people have to travel for miles to Montego Bay to dump their waste. And residents and business operators have been livid since the hurricane.
There is still lots of garbage all over the grill and its surrounding areas. For years, we've been promised to have a station in Frome where you could store the garbage and then chuck it in huge container to Montego Bay. It makes a lot of sense. It sounds good. We were happy to hear that. But that is 4 years ago.
Mr. Gordon told TVJ News that while there are only 7 landfills island-wide since the hurricane, temporary debris collection sites have been set up, including in Westmoreland. He also emphasized that most of the landfills are now under pressure. For example, in the Catherine Hall and West Green communities alone,
that small space, probably about 1,000 homes, we move just under 3,000, the exact figure I think is 2,700 plus loads of debris out of that small space.
However, over the coming weeks, Mr. Gordon assured that things will significantly change, thanks to an additional $1 billion allocated from the government for debris removal. That's in addition to the $500 million provided in the immediate aftermath of the storm. Also, the agency has now implemented a debris removal committee to ease the burden on the regular garbage collection teams.
We believe that this is a good move, not just for a more efficiently run program, but also for the human capital. We can't kill people off while you're trying to do a good, you're destroying people.
As a result, more teams will be deployed in western parishes to clear out the debris. And the NSWMA is also partnering with scrap metal dealers and truck operators across the island to better recycle and sort the waste to take some of the pressure off the landfills.
If you don't see a truck yet, just wait. You will see a dump truck. You will see the equipment. You will see, because we're coming. We're not leaving any debris behind.